Hey, so my girlfriend Courtney and I, we've made an effort to.
Video?
Yeah, it's a video. We've been making an effort to cook as much as we can at my kitchen, and so what we do is we scour food blogs and we just pick out a recipe based on our cravings any given night, and we cook it. Usually meet up after work at Whole Foods, and it's a pretty fun activity to do together. Anyway, so tonight we are making some lemon linguine. I'm going to hold that up to the light. So I just print out the recipe. I'm sure this is really common, there's no need for me to explain it, but I want to be clear. Print out the recipe, we go get the ingredients, we rush back to my house, and we start cooking. Usually I handle the meats, because I think that's the manly part, and Courtney handles the fine chopping. But in this case tonight, I chop the garlic because she doesn't like to do it. So besides the lemon linguine, which actually it's not even linguine, I changed out the pasta to be fettuccine because Whole Foods didn't have any classic linguine. They had flavored linguine, and I wanted a classic flavor. So we're going to also boil some corn on the cob, and I got some chicken sausages. And then for dessert, we're going to have grapefruit sorbet with raspberries. Okay, so this is the introduction video. I might make a few more as we prepare the food. Update number 2. Courtney has started the night off early with a cocktail. I knew this was coming because as soon as we met up at Whole Foods, she said she was having a hard day, and then when we got home to my place, she asked me if I wanted a drink, which is suspicious. And then I realized just now that she always asks me if I want a drink first, right before she pours herself an alcoholic drink, so that she doesn't feel guilty for doing it. Okay, so the one problem I have with our stovetop is that it is impossible to light. And I'm not a novice either at lighting.
Sure, you did it.
No.
Oh, shit.
Alright, so let me catch you. Yeah, the camera's on. Let me catch you up to speed. Whoa, we got some smoke. Hold on.
Oh no.
Luckily, I don't have fire alarm. Okay, so to catch you up to speed, we took a lemon, we zested it. That means to just
Grating the outside.
yeah, to grate some of the peel.
The peel.
And then we also squeezed some juice, which will make the basis for the dressing. We also
that reminds me.
chopped some cilantro, finally chopped some garlic. Then we're preparing the fettuccine, which should take only about 1 to 3 minutes. The sausages are nearly done, and that's it.